So welcome to Happiness Online Math. Today we have another question on the board and we're supposed to find the value of x, and this is a factorial question. Let us solve for the value of x. Solution. So x factorial divided by 6 factorial equals 7 factorial. So the first thing we're supposed to do is to cross multiply. Okay, so now we have x factorial times 1 equals 7 factorial times 6 factorial. Now, x factorial times 1 is the same thing as x factorial, and 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 6 factorial is the same as 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now, from what we have here, let us see. This 4 times 2 is 8. So we can take out 4 and 2. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So now what we have becomes 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 6 times 5 times, we still have 3, and times 1. Okay? Alright, so now 6 is the same thing as 2 times 3. Okay? So if we replace 6 as 2 times 3, okay, so now we have this 3 can multiply that 3, and so 3 times 3 now is equal to what? 9. So now what we have is x factorial equals 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times, we still have 2, we have 5 and 1, so 2 times 5 times 1. 2 times 5 times 1 will give us 10. Okay, so now this becomes x factorial now becomes 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Right, so what we have here is the same thing as a 10 factorial. So as it is, x factorial now is equal to 10 factorial. So if x factorial is equal to 10 factorial, that means our x is equal to 10. And that is our answer. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching today. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, and bye-bye.